So today we're going to be taking the car to the dyno to finally see what numbers this car put out. So what I need to go ahead and do while I have some free time, I'm going to go ahead and take the drag wheels off and go ahead and put on the daily tires, just because the guy who's going to be dynoing the car told me that I need to have on, the street tires. So here, go ahead and throw those on. Alright, now that we put the regular tires on, we're gonna go ahead and go to the dyno. In the rears, these are 19 by 10s with a 305, 35, 19. Car sits good on this setup as well. Huh?
I'm thinking about getting all this battery.
Yeah? Saves a lot of weight, bro. It's good. Just don't let it sit, the car sit for too long. Just disconnect the battery or it'll die. Yeah.
13 air fuel. And that's right on.
So here's a picture of the Dyno Graph. As you can see at the bottom right hand corner, that's our air to fuel ratio. That is the blue and red lines. Pretty much the car is leaning out right around 7,500 RPM. Basically what he told me is that the stock pump is pretty much maxed out, and also the injectors. The injectors that I have are 47-pound injectors, so you would add a 0 to that, and that's technically the amount of horsepower that, you know, the injectors should be able to handle. So we exceeded that, so we will go ahead and upgrade the fuel system. So we're going to go ahead and order a booster pump. That should be here sometime this week. We'll go ahead and get that installed, do some data logs, send it over to Palm Beach Dyno, and if everything looks good, we're going to head back to the dyno. So we just got off the dyno. It made 5:15. Okay. Not bad.